Welcome back. There's an update coming in from the top court. The hearing on Nupur Sharma case has begun. Earlier, remember, we also told you how Nupur Sharma has approached the court seeking transfer of the FIRs that have been registered against her in various states to be shifted, to be moved to the national capital. She has pleaded with the Supreme Court that she has been receiving death threats and rape threats, and it will not be safe for her to travel for the hearing of those cases that have been registered against her in various states, and that's why she's pleading with the court that those cases, dozens of FIRs that have been registered against her for her remarks on Prophet Mohammed, to be shifted, to be moved to the national capital for investigation. The hearing has begun at this point of time. We have Swapnil Kothari joining us on the broadcast. Swapnil Kothari, update coming in from the court. Hearing, of course, has begun. Now, Nupur Sharma is pleading that since she has been receiving these threats, it is not safe for her to travel to the states where those cases have been registered. She is pleading with the court to move them to the national capital.
In the interest of fairness and ease to deal with the situation, I think the court should be able to easily transfer all the cases back to itself in the national capital where she is residing, so that she doesn't face any danger to her, bodily integrity or even to her life.
Right. So you're saying, keeping in mind the fact that it's her safety and security which is at risk, the court should pay heed to the request that is coming in. Well, we have an update coming in as well, and this is what Justice Kant has said. The way she has ignited emotions across the country, this lady is single-handedly responsible for what is happening in the country. That is one of the comments, one of the observations coming in. In fact, at this point of time, what we're also picking up is that Supreme Court has said if you're a spokesperson of a party, it is not a license to say things like that. So it appears that, of course, the court is coming down heavily, Swapnil Kothari, as far as those comments are concerned.
Well, Swati, that is a different thing. You can punish the person who's appealing to you for whatever you think as a court that whatever she said is not right, or that she's, made inflammatory comments or speeches. But that's a separate issue. You can do whatever you do with her, but that doesn't mean that you deny her this very simple request. In fact, bring all the matters before you and then give whatever punishment you want to dole out, and at the same time, ensure that she is safe. Alternatively, request each of the states, which will be in fact more cumbersome, that please take care of this person. Otherwise, wherever she goes. But that's asking, for a tall order. And anybody who, howsoever that person may have inflamed the passions in the country and, may be responsible according to the Supreme Court, but that doesn't mean that the person should, that person's life or bodily integrity should be any less important than that.
We'll keep tracking the developments that take place in the court. Thank you very much, Swapnil Kothari, for the moment for joining us. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue.